Take off your eyeglasses, Father.
Mayong gabi. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Buon nuit. Guten Abend. Your Excellency, my brother priests, friends and devotees of Padre Pio. If you keep quiet, I'll keep it short. If you talk, I'll keep it long. You know, in the life of Padre Pio wasn't famous because he built the best hospital in Europe or in the world. Padre Pio was not famous because he had all the gifts that God gave him. Padre Pio was not famous because he had his wounds and stigmata. Padre Pio was not famous because of his fame. Padre Pio wanted to be incognito. He didn't like publicity. He didn't like to be exposed. But unfortunately, he had to succumb to those things. When we look at the life of some of our saints, Mother Teresa, Padre Pio, when we look at the life of St. Francis of Assisi, St. Augustine, St. Paul, these people didn't become famous because of what they did. They didn't become famous because of whatever. One factor that always stood out in these people was the gift of humility. You know the story of Padre Pio. The greatest pain for Padre Pio was the church. The church punished him because the church thought that he had inflicted his wounds. So he was padlocked in his room for years. He was not allowed to write to his spiritual children. He was not allowed to hear confession. He was not allowed to say Mass in public. But he always obeyed in humility. The Vatican sends an inquisitor to the San Giovanni Rotondo to observe the life of Padre Pio. For a whole month, this inquisitor was there following whatever. Padre Pio was accused of being a homosexual. He was accused of being a womanizer. He was accused of manipulating funds. Once there was an incident, if you saw that Pio movie, The Miracle Man, there's an incident where Padre Pio is in the chapel consulting or confessing or counseling a woman, and somebody spied on him and went to the Archbishop and said, Padre Pio has a kabit. What was great in Padre Pio was his complete resignation to the will of God and his great humility. Padre Pio was able to do great things because of great humility. And he never complained. He always accepted everything as coming from the will of God, and he would say, I offer this, my pain and sufferings, so I can bring all souls to heaven. Because a lot of people are going astray. So he suffered unconditionally for 50 years. Imagine, I was able to meet him, I attended his Mass, I went to confession to him, and I could see the pain of that man. And yet, untirelessly, he went through it all. So I think what we should learn from Padre Pio, not to think ourselves as being great in the eyes of God, but to be humble servants, stewards. That is the thing that conquers people. Pride and humility cannot go together. Either you're proud or you're humble. Humble builds, pride destroys. Amen.